Yes! 2 pancake flips. Yes, excellent. I'm pretty happy with that. So, today we're gonna have a pancake race. What it means is we made pans, okay, to fry the pancakes. Fry the pancakes.
Fry the pancakes.
A pancake.
A pancake.
So it's cardboard, but you can use a real pan or anything else that you find in your classroom. We have this, so we made this. And now we're gonna have a pancake race. We're going to flip the pancake.
Flip the pancake.
Okay, so we start here. We go this way, and we're going to count. 1 pancake flip. 1
pancake flip.
2 pancake flips.
2 pancake flips.
3 pancake flips.
3 pancake flips.
Not easy. Ready? Okay. And you say go, go, go.
Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. 1 pancake flip. 2 pancake flips. 3 pancake flips.
Yes! And thank you, thank you. Now, who wants to play? I want to play.
I want to play.
Sorry, she was first. The pen. The pancake. Okay. Let's have someone race with Alice. Who wants to play?
I want to play.
I want to play.
I want to play.
Yes, okay. Ooh. Another pen, another pancake. Here you go. Go next to Alice. Okay, Clémence, you are with Leonie, okay?
Okay.
You count the pancake flips.
Okay.
I'm with Alice, I count the pancake flips. Ready? And go, go, go. One pancake flip. Go, go, go. 2 pancake flips.
1, no, 2. Hey, 3 pancake.
Oh, and she wins! She wins! She got here with 3 pancake flips. Sorry, sorry. Enjoy your pancake race. If you want to do it outside, go ahead. Have fun with that. Real pancakes, go crazy. Bye.